Hi everyone, I'm Deb. Today I'm going to give you an update on the new way I've been making masks. Surprisingly, there's still a lot of controversy about masks. I mean, some people say you should always wear one when you leave the house, and other people are idiots. I have been outside like 5 times in 4 months, and I have to say I'm really impressed with all the masks I see out there. I mean, a lot of people are definitely not going to get corona on their chin. My new masks have nose guards and filter pockets. For the filters, I use shop towels, and for the nose guards, I use coffee tin ties. I got the shop towel idea from this place in LA that did a lot of testing for fit and effectiveness. Between that site and this woman Leah Day's site, I came up with this new pattern. I'll link to their sites and all the materials below. Let me show you how I make these.
First, I iron. Ugh, I hate this part. I cut out my fabric, one piece for the front, one for the lining. I transfer all my notches onto the fabric. These bottom ones are for my chin darts. I fold my fabric in half and draw a line where I'm going to sew the dart. I do this for both my front and my lining pieces. Then I sew the dart. I tie off the dart and trim the excess fabric. Now, with the right sides together, I line up the lining to the front and close up the seam with the chin dart. I sew up the top as well, leaving a 3-inch space in the center for where my filter will be inserted later. I iron the top seam open, then place the seam 1/2 inch down from the top and iron this flat too. Because I made the chin dart, I iron the bottom corners flat also. Now I'm going to add the elastic ties into each corner. I cut each tie 12 inches long, and I like to keep them rolled up with a clip. You're going to want all the elastic inside so you don't sew anything but the ends. Now I'm going to sew up each side, but I'm going to backstitch a few times where the elastic is to secure it. I snip all the corners and then I turn the mask right side out. I put pins in the sides at 1-inch intervals, and then starting from the bottom, I fold the pins onto each other, creating 3 pleats. Before I sew them up, I'm going to insert the nose guard. It has double-sided tape, so I'm going to carefully get it into place and slowly peel back the tape. This is the trickiest part, but once you've done it a couple of times, it gets easier, just like bullying. Then you sew all the way around. You can totally sew over the nose guard. And voila, you're done.
This was totally easy, right? I like to tie them long so the mask ties behind your head. Now that I've tied the elastic around my head, the elastic stays tied. But some people prefer to tie them around your ears. So just tie the loops. Stay safe, stay healthy, wear a mask. Not on your chin. When I first started to wear masks, it was to rob banks. Now I'm using them to rob banks. Safely.